Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account in a very simple, step-by-step way. Whether you're doing it for privacy, peace of mind, or just taking a break, this guide is all you need. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome or any other browser you use. In the search bar, type facebook.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, log into your Facebook account by entering your email or phone number and your password. After you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll see your profile picture or a small down arrow icon. Click on that. This opens the account menu. Now from the menu that appears, click on Settings and Privacy. Once you click it, a few more options will show up. From those, select Settings. Now you'll be inside the settings page. On the left side of your screen, there's a list of different settings. Look for and click on Your Facebook Information. This is where you'll find options related to managing your account and data. After clicking on Your Facebook Information, scroll down a little. You'll see an option that says Deactivation and Deletion. Click on it. Here you will see two choices. Deactivate account. This is temporary. Delete account. This is permanent. For now, we'll choose Deactivate account. That means you can come back anytime and reactivate your account. Now click on Continue to Account Deactivation. For security, Facebook will now ask you to re-enter your password. Just type your password again and click Continue. After entering your Facebook password, here Facebook asks, are you sure you want to deactivate your account? Deactivating your account will disable your profile and remove your name and photo from most things that you have shared Facebook. Some information may still be buyable to others, such as your name in their friends list and messages that you have sent. Choose a reason for leaving. If you're just taking a break, select This is temporary. I'll be back. More option also here. You can also write your own reason in the text box. Below that, there's an option called Email Opt-out. If you don't want Facebook to send you emails while your account is inactive, check this box. You'll also see a Messenger option. If you want to stop using Messenger too, make sure to select Deactivate Messenger. Now click the final Deactivate button. That's it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. Like and follow if this helped. And check out my full video for the complete step-by-step process. Go ahead and check that box. Your Facebook account is now successfully deactivated. Now that your account is deactivated, here's what happened. So don't worry, nothing is deleted, and you can always reactivate your account whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If it was, please like this video, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tech tips.